The FDA putting the brakes on red dye number 3, an ingredient added to candy, cakes, cereal, and many other food and drink products, giving them their vibrant cherry red color. It's no longer approved for use in food or dietary supplements, a move that has experts and consumers cheering.
It is totally unnecessary, and we don't need the chemicals.
I know it's only one dye, and there's so many others out there, but that is a step, guys. I am so happy.
It's a great step for consumers and for public health.
The switch long overdue, according to Thomas Galligan, principal scientist for food additives and supplements at the Center for Science in the Public Interest. The group launched a petition in 2022 calling on the FDA to ban the red dye, which is found on ingredient labels under several different names. It's currently used in a wide variety of foods and medicines, including frozen desserts, colored beverages, protein shakes, and meats. It's also added to color pain relievers, antidepressants, and heartburn meds. Why is this ban a victory for consumer health and safety?
Red 3 is a food dye that has been known to cause cancer in animals.
Red 3 was approved for use in foods in 1907. It's made from petroleum. The FDA first learned Red 3 was potentially cancer-causing after a study in the 1980s that found tumors in male rats exposed to high doses of the dye. The agency says there has been no link between red dye 3 and cancer in humans. But a 2021 California study looking at artificial dyes, including Red 3, linked the dyes to hyperactivity and restlessness in some children. In a statement, the International Association of Color Manufacturers telling NBC News it remains steadfast in its commitment to upholding the highest safety standards, adding, "Our members will continue to comply with FDA regulations." Advocacy groups applauding the ban's health benefit to kids.
It's such a move in the right direction.
In the meantime, health experts say don't throw out what's in your cupboards, but take note of what you buy next.
If you still have some Christmas cookies on your shelf that have red dye on them, it is still okay to eat those. But when you go to the store next time, maybe reach for the red apple instead of reaching for the bag of red candy.
Interesting. Vic, should we be worried about other dyes?
Carsey, the scientists we talked to really cited that 2021 California study because it didn't just look at red dye number 3. It looked at a number of other artificial colors and found that link to hyperactivity, inattention in kids. And they say these days there's so much technology to create colors from natural sources like fruits, vegetables, and particularly the dyes that are banned in other countries. It's just a reminder for consumers. Look at the ingredient labels. What exactly are you ingesting? How often are you putting these chemicals into your body? They're really hoping this is just the first step for the FDA to look at all the different additives and chemicals that are put into our food for just cosmetic reasons. Yeah. They're not nutritional. They're just there for looks.
I did pause last night and look at the back of some gummies just to check it out.
Same.
Yeah.
I did. A lot of dyes in there.
All right.